Welcome. My name is Dr. Arel, and I'm a physician here at Precision Regenerative and Functional Medicine in Austin, Texas. Our clinic uses cutting-edge technology to treat degenerative conditions and injuries to the spine and other joints such as hips, knees, and shoulders. Please visit our website at austinprecisionmedicine.com or give us a call at 512-892-0490. Today, I'm excited to show you the regenerative treatment known as platelet-rich plasma, or PRP for short, from start to finish. Platelet-rich plasma injections stimulate regeneration in the body, which can repair a musculoskeletal issue and treat one's pain in the long term without opioids or surgery. Let me explain. Platelets are cells within your blood that are rich in growth factors and have innate healing abilities. We extract and concentrate them, and then we inject them back into your problem area. Plasma is the protein-rich component of your blood that is essential for cell survival, as it contains nutrients, vitamins, hormones, and electrolytes. The procedure itself involves a simple blood draw, anywhere from 120 to 80 milliliters or cc's, depending on your age and total volume of PRP necessary for the treatment. Your blood is mixed with anticoagulant, so the blood doesn't clot as we prepare it. This mixture is centrifuged to separate red blood cells from the plasma and platelets based on their different molecular weight or density. We concentrate what we want, the platelets, into a yellow buffy coat layer. This is the good stuff. We lab test this mixture to make sure that the concentration of platelets is optimal for your condition. A key differentiator in our treatment is the use of precise image guidance to ensure that the PRP is delivered directly to the areas of injury. We have both a fluoroscope, live x-ray, and ultrasound to accomplish this. Once the solution is injected into a patient's injured or arthritic tissues, the platelets release a burst of growth factors that bind to the existing cells and stimulate proliferation and repair. And that's it. Now it's just a matter of time to see progress. Regeneration is a slow process. In our experience, results begin between 1 to 6 months after the procedure. Results also depend on your general state of health and the severity of injury or degradation. If you are patient and take care of yourself and your body, the results will come. For more information or to see if this treatment may benefit you, reach out and schedule a consultation at our office.